Down, down, down. Do, 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 do. We're here at Universal once again, starting off at Studios, and then probably going to go over the islands later. So basically, we're the same thing, go on loads of rides. It's hot, it's Thanksgiving weekend, so it's going to be busy. So what's really new? A few more rides and a few more merch, more secrets and everything, so make sure you subscribe. Let's go! One of the ever so famous spinny Universal ball. Down, down, down. Do, 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 do. Oh, I want a present.
I imagine they're just full of air. I imagine.
You win against Santa Claus. So that was the walk, and people are leaving already because it's so busy. Literally, this is about 10:30 in the morning. Not a good sign, guys. Let's get in. Okay, this is a good trick. So basically, everyone's going up there, like up the main street. But if we can come into this little store here, the TV merchandising Universal store, and we can cut right ahead and cut all of the crowns. There's a little tip. There's a little secret you only get from Planet Mark. And
they've got cute merch.
Yeah, that as well. So that's why they trick you. Like, if you have to try and have the mindset of like, no, I need none of these cute merchandise, these cute presents. Just trying to ignore them. If you have the mindset, which we.
Only $10.
Well, what were they the other day? Like,
Oh.
Also, they've gone down in price. It's Black Friday at Universal. I don't think so. I don't think so.
I love how they do my first trip to Universal in like baby and child t-shirts, but like I was 24 the first time I came here.
Yeah, so
what was mine?
Slightly bigger size. There you go. So we've cut all of that bit off. Well, everyone being really busy in the main street, we've cut right through there and came out towards Minions.
Do you want to ride Minions? Do you like Minions?
See, even at 10:30, Minions already has an hour and a half wait. That's how busy it is today. Thanksgiving weekend. So the first thing we did was like, it's so busy today. It took us so long to do anything. Basically, we just filled up, we got a refillable drink again. We activated that and got an icy. Right up an icy, I think it was about $3.50 for annual pass holder discount. It's $8.50 to refill the drink all day. So, you know, that's such a good deal.
An icy is $5.50.
$5 up for so basically, yeah, you have two and you've more than like got your money's worth for that. So if you like icy, it's definitely worth getting it. And then we just rode Men in Black. And annoying thing is like you get these free lockers, but my strap on my bag got jammed in the door of like the other people like just below us, and to get someone to open their locker. But yeah, so just be aware of like straps and bags and things like that, and it could be just annoying. Now we're back in the Coca-Cola bar. It's so cool in here. But let's have a look at what the times are like. Okay, these are the times for the rides at the moment. It's pretty busy.
Orlando Cinematic Celebration's on tonight. And the holiday parade's on at 5:30.
Ooh.
It's 30 minutes for Fast and Furious. Sorry. 75 for Escape from the Ingots. Only 20 for the Simpsons ride. Is this as bad as it felt?
Yeah, I mean, it just maybe it just feels like there's a lot of people just walking around today. I mean, Jimmy Fallon, the Jimmy Fallon Race for New York ride, that was like, it was 2 minutes the other day when we showed you when their virtual queue pass. Then 2 minutes was the virtual, the waity tickety thing. Go check the vlog out if you haven't already. And it's an hour and 20 minutes today. So I suppose some things are much more popular than others. Maybe the app hasn't quite
got it.
Got it.
I think some of them are showing an hour and a half.
Yeah. So maybe it's only some rides that are really popular. I can imagine because it's so hot today, islands are being a lot busier.
Everything under control. I'm sorry, does anyone know which end the bullet goes in?
Love The Simpsons. Wait, what?
Now, which lucky family will be the first to go on my thrilling new ride? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Make it quick, I gotta go to the little clown's room, so the family that will see my show is the one who hollers, go! Fine, you're in. Come with me. Oh, and you can pick one other group to come with you.
How about these guys?
Sure, whatever. They look clean. You guys come with me. You stay here and wait for someone to tell you to do something.
Sideshow Bob. Definitely one of the best queues like ever. It's just always hilarious and filled with like just good stuff. And also it has like clips of the Simpsons playing throughout the queue, so just a great queue altogether. I don't have a countdown of best queues, but this should be number one. It's hashtag the panda. He's so cute and soft, and I gave him a hug.
Just taking pictures of people.
Oh.
He's cute.
No.
Not dancing. Should we go in the elevator? Just go up the elevator.
I do really like the theming for this bit. Next stage. So this time we got an orange ticket and we're in that loungy kind of bit of the Jimmy Fallon ride and the people singing. So we've got games and everything, and try to get shots of the stage. But I do like this, it's a cool little lounge bit. And here's Laura playing pairs.
Is your winner, Zach.
Is that Laura?
Oh, that's pretty close. One more time, all right, folks. Remember, only.
You probably hear on the stage they've got some like competition thing. That was all live. Their competition, like some lip sync battle thing. Seems it's all rehearsed, but you know, still pretty fun. This is a puppy. Look at this. Just showing me like little random bits and games. And here's puppy pickup. They've just got video clips going on the stage, like hashtag. Oh. Well, that noise means that it's our time to go up. So let's go. No, we can walk through this back. So basically, but it was just so incredibly busy. There's nowhere we could have got lunch. Well, wait, like half an hour. Like we went to like 3 different places like to eat, and it's all pretty much the same food anyway. It tastes all the same no matter where you go. So that's why it's all the same price. So we decided to come out to Seaworld, and we're at where the hell are we?
Bread box.
Bread box, some bready place in here on Seaworld, and you still get annual pass holder discount, so we saved another $1.50 adding to our total. So again, if you still haven't seen a video on is it worth it to get the annual pass holder, please go check out that other video now. So we've ordered like a sandwich and fries. Let's see how this turns out from bread box. So basically it was far too busy to really be doing anything. We were going to go on a few more rides, but it just got insane with how incredibly busy it was. So we just like looked through shops, and we got this guy. I think his name's Niffler, some like duck thingy from Fantastic Beasts.
This is Mark's knowledge of Harry Potter.
Yeah.
I will get him for that later.
Even though he has like a pouch thing. Bit weird. So it's kind of like a duck kangaroo thing, and it feels really nice as well. So I think like it was, I think it was like $35, but we got 10% off because we have annual pass holder discount. Again, but it's all building up. We'll give you that full total at the end. But yeah, at least it's really good quality, and it's very like quite nice as well. You'll be able to see all of our other stuff in our whole video. But yeah, so really the moral of the story is if you're looking to go on Thanksgiving weekend, expect a hell of a lot of crowds. Probably as busy or potentially even busier than it is in the summer. Maybe not, but I would say it's around that kind of bracket. But anyway, that's the end of this video. Make sure you subscribe to Planet Mark and hit that bell notification to be told of the next great upload. And like and share this video. Follow us on Twitter at PlanetMarkVlog or Facebook.com/PlanetMarkVlog or Instagram at Disney.Dreamer.
Sorry.
At Disney.Dreamer_UK. See you next time, guys. Bye 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 bye.